welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. This company want to do a collaboration and they sent me some of their products to do a review. This brand is called FloryFab. Some of you guys don't know what's FloryFab. They specializes in kitchen supplies, and not only that, they also have baking supplies. Prices are very affordable and good quality. You can check their website. It's FloryFab.com. They have a lot of kitchen supplies and baking supplies, and also for the children. They also sent me a coupon if you're interested for you to use at checkout. And here, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. All the products that I mentioned in this video, it will be in the description box, and also the coupon. So let's get started with the first one. I have a few things over here that I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So the first one is, let's start with this. This is a stainless steel egg slicer. So if you have eggs and you want to, instead of using knife, you can use this slicer for the eggs. You can put the eggs like in your salad or just eat it itself. This one is really good for that. Look at this thing right here. It's a stainless, and then it will cut the eggs. Put the eggs here, and then you just have to do it like that. But I'm gonna show you how I slice my eggs. And this one also, you can put the eggs here, and there's a cutter. It's a stainless steel, and you can just put your eggs there and let it, you know, slide like that. So yeah, it's so neat. I can't wait to use this one. In red color. I don't know if this one is red. This stainless steel egg slicer is $3.30. So you can't beat that price. And the next item is this one. It's a tap filter purifier. You can use this, like put it in the faucet, and then this is a filter, this white one over here. So you just have to put it, and then yeah. So you can use clean water. And this one is $1.94. See, it's very affordable. The third item is this yellow thing. This one looks like a duck because it's a duck bill. This is an anti-spill liquid dispenser. It's really neat. It's not only for the soup too, I guess, especially that if I will cook rice and then there's water, I had to drain the water. But this one is, you also use that, and you can also use this for the soup. Yeah, this is for the soup, but I will also try, like, you know, for the rice, and if I want to drain something in the pot, so I can use this one for soup or for anything that you want to drain, if you want to drain out of your pot. Also, this is $3.37. Yay! This is a silicone butter cake cream spatula. I have some few spatulas already, but I like this little one. I like the pink color, and I like to have extra. I don't bake a lot. I only bake like there's occasions like that, baking cake or anything for baking. And the next is this you're probably curious about this. This is a silicone garlic peeler. It's very useful. I use a lot of garlics. Every time I cook, to me there's a lot of garlics, but it would be easier if you will use this and peel the garlics, right? Instead of chopping it. I mean, there's the peeler and then have to chop it. So I could use this. I can't wait to try this garlic peeler. So this is pink. And this one is $1.84. So check that out, guys, on their website. Yeah. The last one that I'm gonna show you, it's a little bit, you know, bigger. It's a Dumpling Maker. This is $8.70, and look at this. And you can put the dumpling over here, the wrapper, and also this. When you put the, you know, dumplings, and you just have to close like that. Kind of interested to use this dumpling wrapper mold. I like the color of this, and look at that. And this one, the holder, and also this, where you put the wrapper over here and then just fold it like that. It comes with spatula, maybe. I'm not really sure about this. Thank you so much, FloryFab, for sending these items. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can just leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.